Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the Trueflight Tiger that was at Oshkosh in 2009. Luann and I went up a day early, met the boys at Trueflight, and we helped set up the exhibition that they had at Oshkosh that year to show off the Tiger. And then Luann and I worked the booth every day, telling people what it was like to be Tiger owners. What we got out of the deal were some free t-shirts you'll see down the road, so stay tuned. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, I said t-shirts. We actually got dress shirts out of the deal. Nice shirts with Trueflight's logo on the breast. Really nice shirts. But we got them set up. We got the Tiger staked down and all set up. The exhibition set up. The rugs put out. As you'll see, quite a bit going on. I'll let you take a look at these pictures right here of the initial setup, and I'll be back when we have something interesting going on. And you can have a lot of fun walking around Oshkosh. All sorts of crazy stuff to see and have fun with. Like this Rootum Tootum dinosaur with a 6-shooter on its shoulder. And of course, we saw the beast, and it had a chicken. Some of you might recognize a chicken like that from one of our European members. And then Jeff Simon was nice enough to give us a pass for 2 people to take a helicopter ride around Oshkosh. So Luann and I walked there one day, stood in line, used our tickets, and we took these pictures as we flew over the event, and then back on the ground, back to Trueflight to get back to work, showing everybody about the Tiger and telling them how great it was. The one nice thing about talking to people about tigers and the Grumman line is everybody's got a Grumman story. And, what can I say? And after the ride, we went over to the AYA Forum tent and sat in the crowd and listened to what everybody had to say. It was nice to hear John Shardama talk about all his parts. He brings his broken part story and tells the tales of woe every year. And then Luann and I got up a little bit to tell people what was going on with us. And, just keeping everybody in the loop with everything. And then we were walking around the crowd and looking at some of the airplanes, and what we happened to find was we came across an airplane right here. It's a Cub, but the end number was kind of strange. It was November 61 Lima Charlie. Now, one of our customers with a yellow airplane from Lunkin is Neil Johnson, and his airplane is November 16 Lima Charlie, a Grumman Tiger in a beautiful yellow just like that. So there you go. I work on November 16 Lima Charlie. And then finally we took a group shot of everybody at the exhibition, all the guys from True Fight, Luann and I, all in our nice dress shirts. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. We have been very proud over the years to support the line and do all we could to tell people how great they were. Again, we hope you found it useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.